Hey guys, welcome back to the Gypsy Moon Child, and this is going to be the monthly reading for Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs of Leos for June 2020. Remember, take only what resonates and leave the rest. Time is fluid, and energies and roles can be reversible or vice versa. If you want to book a personal reading with me or you want to donate to this channel, you can use the information given in the description box below. Also, don't try to make this reading resonate with you forcefully. Take only what resonates. And if this reading doesn't resonate at all, you can check your moon, rising, or Venus signs or readings by any other amazing readers on YouTube. So let's see what we have for Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs of Leos for June 2020. Okay, so we have got Two of Wands and the Hangman. Okay, so with this I feel you or the person you are dealing with has a really confused energy. They are at a crossroads. They're trying to think about the situation from different point of views, maybe asking around people as well to take up their point of view, but this person is at crossroads. They have to take a decision which they're not able to, so they're trying to just look at it from a different angle. Some of you guys or your person is having crown chakra activations as well, and it's like someone here is not ready for the commitment yet. I feel this person is not ready for the commitment, but they're confused. What should they do? It's like they might lose you, or if they just don't make their mind up, they might end up losing you, or should they just move ahead with you? So this person is confused, and I feel if your person is confused a little, it's because they're not ready for the commitment. They need more time, and it's like they're coming into a different space now. And for others, I feel that your person is like really stuck in something. Okay, there's but maybe a karmic situation or a karmic relationship. Someone is stuck in that, and they're trying to come out of it. They are actually having crown chakra activation, and they might be just trying to come out of it, come out of their karmic situation, but they don't know how. It's like they're making plans. They're confused between two options as well, like should they stay in there or should they come out of it and come to you. Okay, 10 of Wands. Yes, this person is really overwhelmed with whatever is going around in their life right now. It's like they have a lot of things to deal with. They have a lot on their plate, and it's like overwhelming them. They just want to go home now. I feel whoever this person is, if they're stuck in a karmic situation or a relationship, this person is not feeling really happy there. It's like now it's like it seems like a burden to them, and for others it's just that this person is not feeling happy in their own life. They seem to have a lot to deal with, and they're carrying unnecessary burdens, and that's why they're not able to just see the way. It's like their head is all clouded with things. They're not able to make a way towards you. Okay, if this person is someone who's not ready for the commitment yet, so it's only because there's a lot on their mind right now, and a lot is bothering them. So this person is not really sure what to do, how to do it. All they want to do is just drop these burdens, these judgments, these whatever it is that is bothering them, whatever it is that they've presumed about this connection, about you. Everything is like just clouding their judgment right now. So they want to come out of this place. They're actually wanting to come out of this place. Seven of Swords. So this person has been trying to either manipulate you or just trying to lie to you in some way. It's like they're not being completely honest to you about their feelings, like they're feeling burdened in this connection. This connection is really this connection is like overwhelming them, and it seems like a burden to them, but either it's you or your person, take however it resonates with you. But your person is okay. The devil, oh my god. it's very heavy. Your person is trying to just run away from this connection in some way, run away from you. Maybe they're not really happy here, but this person is not sure if they should do it or if they shouldn't. It's like they keep looking back if they're doing the right thing, running away from you, so they're not able to do it. But this person is like sneaking around, trying to manipulate you, maybe also keeping secrets from you. And with the devil card also here, definitely this person has a lot of fears around commitment. They're not ready for it, and they feel stuck. I feel this person is really feeling stuck here in this connection, and they feel that you might be really obsessed with this person, and that is also making them really scared from this connection. They don't want someone who's so obsessive. It could be your energy as well, like you might be scared of an obsessive person. Okay, I don't take flip out. Let's see what else do we get for Leos for June 2020. Too many cards. Four of Cups. Okay, this person is Four of Cups, Eight of Cups. What is happening in your reading, Leo? The situation is so messed up. I remember every time every time I do your readings, Leo, it's always about commitment, marriage, and it's all good stuff. But today, I don't know what has happened with Leos. But this person is really not focused on this offer from you, this offer of commitment from you. They're just not ready for it. They don't want to deal with it. It's like they're too focused on whatever is going on in their life right now, but they just don't want to deal with it. And I feel that they're emotionally or energetically trying to walk away from this connection. Either it's a person or you. Someone is here, could be stuck in a karmic situation. If they're stuck in a karmic situation, they're trying to walk away from it, and they just don't feel like dealing with it. They just don't feel like that they want to be in this I'm so sorry, that they want to be in this relationship anymore. It's like they don't want to deal with it anymore. They want to leave it behind and walk away. Again, a walking away card, but this person is very, very upset walking away from it as well. They don't know if they're doing the right thing, but emotionally they are actually walking away. Okay, we got Four of Pentacles and King of Cups as well. Okay, so it's like I feel this person is again focused on something else, someone else. Maybe, as I said, whatever is going on in their life right now, they're focused on that. This person could actually have someone else on their mind. Okay, and if not that, then they're just focused on their career, their finances. They're concerned mainly about their finances right now, and they feel that it's not enough for them. They're trying to balance themselves emotionally. They're trying to just be in a emotionally balanced state so that they can handle the situation well. Or this could be you also, but this person is not really giving you any attention, or they don't give two shits about you right now. It's like a burden to this person. It's you or your person. Let's see what Romance Angels has to say for you, Leo. Let go of control issues. So yes, there's something you're trying to control here. Maybe you're trying to control this person. As I said, you're being obsessed with this person, or this person is obsessed with you. So you need to let go of it and let the situation unfold naturally. Stop controlling yourself or other people. Pay attention to red flags. All of these are red flags. What else are they? Don't ignore it. Don't try to force things to happen. Okay, if something is cautioning you, signs are cautioning you, you should just think about it at least, that what is it that is actually going on. I feel that, okay, the honeymoon, I feel there's some distance between you guys, emotional distance here I'm getting. Or this could be someone who is like living at a distance from you, or there's just a physical distance or emotional distance. There are things that you need to forgive them for and forgive yourself for as well, and forgive other people in your life also. Forgive your family, forgive anyone that you feel you need to forgive, or I feel you need to forgive yourself as well. Maybe you might blame yourself for choosing such a person, okay, but you have to stay open and optimistic about your love life, because that will bring you real romance, a real relationship. You have to stay positive about it, and also forgive. Do Ho'oponopono meditation, guys. It's really, really great. And once you forgive people in your life, it's going to be good, okay? It's going to also help you in your love life. Okay, let me pull some cards from Moonology deck for you guys. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Okay, so I feel this is a situation that is going on is really, really difficult for you to handle right now. And with this coming full moon, I feel it's gonna end and you'll be at a very better place emotionally. Don't let pride get in your way, okay? So don't let your ego spoil anything here. Don't let it get in the way, be it in your career, be it in your relationships. Do not think from a place of ego, think from a place of love. And have faith in your dreams, okay? So I feel right now this time is just indicating you to work on your dreams, whatever dreams you had, and not just giving up on them, or just not focus on your dreams. Or so you just really need to have faith right now and believe in yourself, in your destiny, in your dreams. You're good enough. So you need to really work on self-love. I feel if you guys are giving this person a chance still, if you're interested in this person, then you deserve better, and you should come out of this situation. You're good enough. Work on self-love, guys. And it's like, I feel you don't feel worthy that you will get a good person, or you will get a true love in your life. So you need to work through your self-love issues or triggers, whatever it is, and have faith that the dream that you've seen, be it in your career or your love life, a dream person maybe, whatever, that this person will come to you, or you will achieve your goals, your dreams. So do not give up on that, and just love and accept yourself completely and deeply, okay? So that's it for Leos. I hope you like this reading, and if it resonates with you, if it did, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I would see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.